If you're a software training or sales enablement leader, you've heard, "I need to try before I buy," or "I learn by doing," over and over and over. You know, you want to create a great hands-on virtual experience, but it's time-consuming, hard to manage, and worst of all, it's a budget blowout. Say hello, bonjour, hola to CloudShare, because at our core, we make effective virtual experiences the easy way. With no DevOps help needed, CloudShare allows you to create virtual software training and demos in less time than it takes to finish your coffee. Now you can take people from to aha with interactive replicas of your product that they can play and break. The best part, these aha moments turn into more conversions, increased retention, and boosted engagement for your team. It really is as simple as create, engage, and scale. The bar for virtual experiences has been set. Trusted by companies like Salesforce, Motorola, Dell Tech, Atlassian, and 150+ other leading companies, CloudShare is the go-to solution for creating powerful virtual IT experiences. Come join the party and book a demo at cloudshare.com/requestademo to see what all the fuss is about.